Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informed video. In today's video, wow, do we have a doozy of a video. So I was gonna make this video early in the morning, but I actually had to go find some more inventory for my resale business. So just got back home, guys. It's a little late, so it's about that time to make this video. And after I was reading this, well, at least the title, like I said, I always like to read this article with you guys as I go, so I can give you my honest opinion. But just by reading the title, guys, wow. So it's kind of a good thing that I did switch from visible wireless. So I don't know if you guys know, but I use visible wireless for about 3 months, 3 to 4 months. They are Verizon owned now. Well, they always were, really. But wow, this is a big doozy, and they don't really have customer service. Their customer service is through like a web chat, so you really can't get anybody on the phone. But it says Verizon owned visible reportedly cancels accounts without stating a reason. Wow. So imagine just having a number, guys. Like, I've had my number like what, 9-10 years now, and you know how important phone numbers are, especially since I work at a cell phone store, guys. When you need to log into your Facebook, your Google, your banking apps, or whatever it is, even some Netflix or some shows, it might require a phone number verification, like a two-step verification, or if you have, stocks or anything like that, or even banking information. Like I said, they usually require a two-step authentication, and most people have that connected to their phone number, because that's your phone number, especially if you had it for years, people know you by that phone number. So imagine just waking up one day and your number being canceled without even knowing. So wow, that just can cause lots of issues, with people having your number, like I said, friends, doctors, or whatever it is. Important clients, and let's say if your business account, if you have, because I know a couple business people that have visible wireless. Imagine if they lost that number, all their clientele, that's losing hundreds of, thousands of dollars or whatever it could be, maybe millions, who knows. So it's a big thing, but let's get into it. So yeah, guys, let's get into the article. So it says, Visible is a digital carrier owned by Verizon, which is the greatest emphasis on fair pricing and shared plans. The carrier offers some of the best pricing and plans with unlimited data and tethering. But there have been a few rough patches recently. There was a suspected data breach on October. The company denies it could have been the result of user account credentials stuffing. But Visible customers are now taking to social media complaining that sudden accounts have been canceled. So they're probably going to be on Reddit. Yep, I can already kind of see Reddit. But let's say you go on Facebook, and man, word spreads really fast. So that's not a good thing for Visible Wireless. I don't have, like, me as a customer, I would not go back to Visible Wireless. That just would, it kind of burns the bridge that you have between that, and you don't want to lose a number. I mean, that's super important. Like, say your phone number is attached to a carrier that's attached to you for a reason, So it says there are multiple reports on Twitter, Reddit, and other sites about new Visible customers having their accounts canceled shortly after signing up. Ooh. So let's say you've had, your number 10 years, and you just signed up for Visible Wireless because you want to get $40 a month for unlimited data, or 25 with the party share, and then just next day, boom, your account's gone, finito, just like that. It says one person on Reddit said they transferred numbers from Mint Mobile, another mobile carrier, to Visible after a few weeks ago, and then suddenly left with no phone service on Monday and a canceled email. Another person said their service was canceled shortly after opening an account with a number port from T-Mobile. Wow. Visible customer support reportedly told one person that some accounts have been suddenly terminated. It looks like to be a tech error before canceling that person's account. So due to a technical error, it could be in their system or something like that, most likely in their system, boom, your account's just terminated. Wow. So, here's the thing from Visible. It says Visible terminated. This is through Reddit. Visible terminated my newly opened account without giving me a reason. Wow. That's a big no-no. And, Visible Wireless is doing a lot of things to kind of prompt new customers to come their way with a $200 Visa, prepaid Visa card, or, different discounts on phone service or anything like that. So, wow, that's not good. So some people at Visible care. Visible terminated my newly opened account without giving me a reason. Lost my number that I used more than 15 years, guys. Like I said, if you have a number for 15 years, that's really attached to you. That's your kind of personalized number. Another tweet says, Visible, worst carrier I've ever used. Horrible. My number was suddenly terminated and was not able to be transferred to another carrier unless I paid $40 to do so. The technical error, but I have to pay for it. Ooh. And you can see here's some kind of back and forward. It says technical error. I will try to reactivate to see how it goes, and if it does not work, we will need to send your case to our specialist to fix this and investigating it. I know how upsetting this could be. I cannot express how sorry I'm for this inconvenience. Lots of spelling errors there. Well, grammar errors, should I say? You are on good hands. You are on good hands now. Let me improve your Visible experience. Thank you. Please help to try to activate my account. Yes, we will help you reactivate your account. In this case, you're going to do together with the team in charge is to work. Wow, oh my god. Like I said, I don't know. I don't have too much faith in Visible anymore. I know a lot of people will defend Visible, but like I said, after reading this, I don't know. And their service actually is not that great, even though it's through Verizon. Now, take this with a grain of salt. Depends on your area. I was really not able to use Visible's data, and me and my wife, we were so happy to switch out of them because, like I said, we like to try different carriers and stuff. But we were trying Visible Wireless with the party pay thing, and the price is phenomenal. Service not so good. Great for calls if you want to do calling and texting. That's it. Data, just in my area, I think a lot of people use Verizon, and it was just super congested. It says most of the affected customers mentioned that they use Visible 2 for $22 promotion. Ooh, that's another big promotion, man. So you'd get 2 months for $22, I believe, which allowed new customers to sign up for the unlimited data for $25 a month after 2 months. Wow. The carrier also sent a $200 digital gift card to anyone who signed up on February 2nd and after that point until February 24th. Visible provided a $100 choose your own gift card. The gift card offer also required the subscriber to make service payments for at least 3 months. Wow. It's not immediately clear why Visible has been canceling accounts, but at least one of the affected customers mentioned they already had a few active lines on Visible and tried to use a 2 for $22 promotion. So better watch out, man. This might get canceled. The page for promotion says new members can take advantage of this deal, possibly implying existing customers cannot use it, but there's no explicit statement regarding existing subscribers. So it looks like they will try to update this when Visible actually reaches out to them. But wow, guys, like I said, big things. I would be really mad. Like I said, just imagine how hard it is to get back all your social media, all your banking accounts, all the stuff. Like I said, I have so much stuff connected to my phone number. I'll just be pretty mad at this point. So like I said, at that point, are you really able to trust a company like this? Like I said, it'd be really tough for me. For me personally, I would not go back to Visible Wireless. Not trying to say, throw dirt at their name, but for these reasons, I personally would not feel comfortable moving my number back to Visible Wireless. And yeah, just stay wary about that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below, do you have Visible Wireless? Did you use this promotion? Because it's not affecting everybody. It's saying a lot of people that got this new 2 for $22 promotion who are getting affected. So you might have Visible Wireless already, you might be fine, but it looks like basically this article is saying don't use that promotion, that 2 for $22. That's a big thing that they're using to bring more new customers. So gotta watch out with that. So thank you for watching, guys.